Welcome back friends. Today's video topic is how to create monthly product wise sales report in Microsoft Excel. In this Excel sheet I have the daily sales report January to June 2025. The requirement here is to create product wise sales report for January to June. Here you see the format of the report where the product name should be in the first column, then the months, and here the quantities should be displayed. To create this type of report from the sales data, we can use the pivot table tool. For that, click anywhere inside your source data, click on insert tab, then pivot table. Here you see in the table range, the whole data is auto selected, and here you have two options, whether you want to make the report in the same sheet or in the new worksheet. If you want to create the report on new worksheet, then select this option. If you want to create the report in the same sheet, then you can select this existing worksheet option. And here in the location, you have to provide where you want to create the report. I want to create the report here in this G3 cell. Then click on OK. Here you see the pivot table report area is created, and at the right side of the screen you can see pivot table fields. Here you have to drag and drop this product name in the rows area, drag and drop the sales quantity in the values area, and drag and drop the date in the columns area. Now here you see the report is created. The individual products are listed in the left column, and here you can see month wise total quantity sold. Now if the source data is a static data, it means if this data doesn't change, then you can simply copy this data and paste it here in this format. Just select this part from January to June sales, copy, go to report and right click, paste special values, OK, and here you see the report is given. You can simply copy this formatting by using the format painter tool and apply the formatting here. So this is the monthly product wise quantity sold report for January to June. If the source data is a dynamic data, it means the data may change, then you can keep the report in pivot table also. But the formatting of the pivot table is not as good as this formatting. So in case of the static data, you can keep your report in this type of format. So this is how you can create product wise monthly sales report in Microsoft Excel. If you want to practice this, you can download this workbook from the link in the video description. Thank you very much for watching. See you again in next video tutorial.